Refer to the most current installation instructions on installpella.com for assembling and installing Pella products. Remember, always use appropriate personal protective equipment. To begin, open the frame and panel boxes and check for any visible damage. Lay cardboard down on a hard, flat surface. This will help protect the finish as you work through the assembly process. Continue by laying out each of the frame parts with the exterior facing up. Begin by assembling the corners. Tap both jambs into the head corner locks. Using 4 screws for each corner, begin screwing in the corner lock at both jambs. If you have trouble seating a corner lock, it may help to loosen the head corner lock screws to help clear the head bumper. Lastly, do not forget to tighten the head screws back down if they were previously loosened. Before joining the jambs and the sill, check the gaskets at the bottom of the sill for damage. Align the sill corners and then install the sill screws using 3 screws per corner. Repeat this step for both corners. Ensure all screws are snug before proceeding. Using Pella sealant, begin injecting the corner lock through the 2 injection holes located on each head corner. Continue injecting sealant until you see squeeze out in the witness holes. Wipe away any excess sealant. Next, ensure the bottom panel filler is positioned flush with the jamb. If it is not, press down until it is flush. Before moving to the next step, position the fixed panel upright and verify the sill support bracket at the bottom is pushed up and positioned correctly. Also, ensure the head spring clip is present and undamaged. Next, lay out the ratchet straps under the fixed jamb. Place cardboard between the panel and the straps to protect the paint finish. Now begin installing the fixed panel. Note the location of the jamb spacers. This is how the edge of the fixed panel will snap into the frame. Begin by pushing the side of the panel into the fixed jamb while holding the other side of the panel up at an angle. Once it is positioned correctly, rock the other side of the panel down until it snaps into the head and the sill. Be sure to apply pressure to the head and the sill to prevent any bowing from occurring away from the panel. Now begin tightening the ratchet straps to hold the fixed panel into place. Make sure something is applied between the ratchet and the door to protect the paint finish on the product. Check spacing between the fixed panel and jamb to ensure it is consistent at the top and the bottom. Bar clamps are an acceptable alternative to use for this step. Now install 5 fixed panel screws in the head and 4 in the jamb, being careful not to overdrive any of the screws. Remove the ratchet straps. Next, re-drill a pilot hole for the panel clip and install the panel clip screw. Drill a pilot hole in the sill support bracket as well. Stand the frame and fixed panel upright. This step will require 2 people. Push sill support bracket down against the sill before pre-drilling and installing the screw by the interlocker. Install the fixed panel cover, leaving a 9/16" gap from the jamb for the corner seal assembly. Place the corner seal foam piece in the plastic cover and snap it into the sill. Slide the bristle into the fixed panel bristle mount and screw it into the top of the panel. Follow standard unit installation instructions to proceed.